Hello, today I will show you how to upgrade motherboard BIOS of Asrock H810M X. First visit the official website and download the new BIOS. Download BIOS, unzip and copy to USB stick. Copy all files to USB stick. Turn on the computer, insert USB stick with the new BIOS and press the delete key to enter the BIOS. Go to advanced mode, then to tool and instant flash. Press delete on keyboard for BIOS. I hope the video helped you. You can subscribe for free for new videos.